Hey everyone! If you've seen those cool edits where a single word keeps showing up over and over on a newspaper background, and you're wondering how to do it, don't worry, I got you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create that effect using a super easy and free website called Paper Animator. No need for complicated apps like After Effects. And the best part? It doesn't matter if you're using a Mac, Windows PC, Android phone, our phone, or even a tablet. This method works on pretty much any device with a browser. So first, go to Google and search Paper Animator, or just go to the official site. Once you're there, click on Launch App in the middle of the screen to open the editor. Now look at the top left corner. You'll see a small menu with two buttons. Click on the lower button. This will open a box where you can type in the word you want to repeat, for example, something like LISTR, UTH, or whatever fits your edit. After typing your word, click on the button that says Create Text Match Cut. Now, the site will ask you to sign in with your Google account. Just log in. It's quick and safe. Once you're signed in, your animated text will be generated. All you need to do now is click on Download, and boom, you've got your repeating text effect ready to use in your edits. You can now import it into CapCut, VN, or any video editor you like, and start building your aesthetic, cinematic, or dramatic video. And that's it.